Guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So I just picked up my lens and I'm using it now. So yeah, vlogging is back. So I'm gonna probably go to the movies today and see Beale Street, but it's in limited edition. So it's not a lot of movie theaters that have it, but I did find a few. So I'm gonna check it out today and see if I like it. Yeah. They definitely did a display for this movie and I like it, so we'll see. They try to keep it authentic and I like the costumes. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go see the early show and give you my feedback. So guys, it is the best time to come to the movie because it's a weekday. It's the middle of the day, so there's not a lot of people here. But this movie theater is a first for me because these are assigned seats. So no matter, which I think is not a bad idea if it's a real popular movie and you want to get your ticket early and you don't want to worry about a long line because you already paid for a certain seat and you guarantee that seat. The only difference is a movie like this where it's in the middle of the day, it's not popular. I don't know if necessarily seat signing is necessary, you know, but we'll see. But it's so funny that someone else was in here, we were talking and they asked me if I read the book. I said yes, and they were like, okay, we're gonna ask you after the movie finished if I should read the book. So yeah, I always tell people read the book, because of course the movie they gotta change it up a little to compared to, you know, it's never exactly like the book. But yeah, I'm here early and I'm gonna relax till the movie starts. Yeah. So yeah guys, so guys, I just finished seeing the movie and I would say if you read the book, it's accurate up until the last 10 minutes. They changed the ending, which kind of makes sense how they did to be relevant to now. I wasn't really disappointed because I really did love the ending in the book, but I understood why they chose that route. Everything else was accurate. I love how they did the costumes and the photographs that they used and how they were able to paint New York City during that time period. And the family dynamic. Regina King was amazing, and the guy that played Fonzie was my favorite. I mean, his facial expression showed the pain and the struggle and what he was dealing with, and I thought he was amazing. I don't know his name, I'm probably going to put it down there, but other than that, if you are interested in seeing a movie, I suggest you do because it's amazing. It's well done. It's definitely going to be an Oscar contender. I couldn't find any real fault except for the last 10 minutes of the movie was completely changed. But anyway, check it out. Go see it. Let me know. Of those of you who didn't, you know, like D.E. Eliot, I know you didn't care for the ending as much. You might appreciate the ending in this, but I still like the book ending more. So anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.